Hey guys, just coming on the back of that Photoshop video. Here is an online program you can use to create your gang sheets, very similar to Photoshop. So we'll create a new project now, and first thing to change is make sure we're at 300 DPI. We're going to go into centimeters, so 57, 100, 300 DPI, transparent background, and we'll create. So here is our artboard. And again, very similar to Photoshop, we can just drag some files in and scale them to what we want. Now, one thing that is different with Photoshop, so if you're scaling this, you'll see the measurements coming across there. With Photoshop, up here, you can actually change this to centimeters, but over in Photopea, it looks like it just stays in percentages. So it's a little bit harder to use. But one way around that is just to go File, Open. We'll grab this image here. And now we can just go Image and Image Size, change it to centimeters, and we can change this to whatever we want. So for example, let's say we want this 10 centimeters. And then we can just grab the file and drag it into our artboard. And that's it. And then from there, we can copy and paste and so on. So again, very similar to Photoshop. You can add a background over here. So we can do a color fill, very similar to what we did. Drag that to the bottom so we can see what we're doing. If we go through, we can drag the files to a new layer, which creates a new one. We can level them out so they're on the same line to make it easier to cut. So again, very similar to Photoshop. We can go through, create the whole gang sheet, and once it's done, we just go through, and in this case, we just export as a PNG. And from there, we just save the file. But remember, once you've finished your layout, remove your background. So we'll cancel that and make sure you delete this background when you finish your layout. So again, guys, it's a free program. It does work. There is a way you can get an account with it. I believe it's 50 a year, but it's up to you. See what works best for you. But yes, it will work. You can create a gang sheet from it, and it's for free. So if you got any questions, please just ask us.